G'day everyone, today we're at the Oakley headquarters. Now in 1980, Oakley made their first motocross goggle called the O-frame. But in 2013, they changed the face of the game with the air brake goggle. Let's go inside and see what they're up to now.
In 2013-14, we felt like there was a big need in the industry, certainly with the increase in power of four-stroke bikes, the amount of power and debris and energy that they're throwing at a rider. We decided that high-end, high protection is going to be one of our pinnacle or one of our focuses. So that's where we developed air brake goggle. High impact technology in the lens, more than any other goggle on the market. So we really raised the bar on protection.
Now, how did you come about this technology? Is it something that you come from because working with the military? Is that where it come from?
Yeah, we work with the military a lot, so there's a lot that we pull from them. So impact protection in military is everything.
What's this all about, mate?
So this is going to demonstrate prism lens technology. What you want to see is a lot of big peaks and valleys. Separating those colors, that's what gives you big contrast. So you can see as we have these in here and I take out some different absorbers, you'll see those contrasts and those peaks and valleys start to change quite a bit. So anyone can come in here and order a pair of glasses right off the press. And so what we do is we have a person come in, maybe some irregular fit, maybe their nose might not fit the way someone else's might be. We set them down in here, we actually 3D scan their head. We'll get the surface contours of their face, and then we'll 3D print the glasses to fit perfect to their face, and then we'll assemble that glass right here for them.
Kurt, I'm in my favourite part now. This is a museum. I can't believe how many memories this has brought back. I was just saying, you know, I had a pair of those grips and I didn't realise they were Oakley grips. I definitely recall when I had my first pair of Oakley O-frames and with the tear-off clips in it, I thought I was like, I don't know, Rick Johnson riding around those days. It was just amazing, mate. This is so cool that you guys are keeping your history.
What we do here is regulatory testing. This is what makes sure that your goggle is safe and puts us in the market.
So you're down here developing the best goggle that you can possibly make for motocross at the moment, aren't you?
That is our goal, yeah.
So what do we got set up here, Jeremy?
So we have a standard regulatory impact test here. You basically have 1/4-inch steel ball fired at 250 feet per second at a goggle, straight at your eye.
So that's 275 k's an hour, smashing a little ball bearing into the goggle.
Yep.
All right, good luck. Whoa. I want one at home. This is what happens in the real world. We get big roofs and we get big rocks and it pushes goggle lenses in, so we know lenses are going to be able to, you know, survive an impact.
So we have spike here, and what we're going to do here is drive it down into the goggle until it touches the eye.
Wow. It really does come down to making a superior goggle and a safer goggle on the market, isn't it?
That's correct, and not just impact safety, but optics safety as well. So with the combination of everything, this is what you get.
Well, if you hang around in the Oakley test lab too long, they get you working. I'm testing out the anti-fog. They tell me I can't go in alone. I do everything alone. Kurt, this is unbelievable. You've got your own BMX track here. Well, you've got a couple. What's it all for?
Yeah, this is our dirt lab. So this is where we do a lot of fun times with the crew here. Do some testing and stuff, but a lot of this for athletes and photo shoots.
They are big looking jumps out there, mate. Oh, look where we've ended up for the last part of the day, Kurt. It's been an absolute cracker of a day, mate. One I'll never forget. Thank you very much.
Loved having you, loved showing you everything here. It's been amazing having you. Can't wait to have you back.
Well, let's finish it on a high, buddy. Let's get this bad boy rolling.
Do this.
Ready for war!